dry ice, and universal indicator. I'm going to add 1 molar sodium hydroxide into 300 milliliters of water and add some universal indicator to show that it is basic and mark the color changes in pH.
Indicators change color in the presence of an acid or a base. As we saw, the basic solution of NaOH plus H2O yielded a color blue, showing that it was a base. When we add CO2 gas plus H2O liquid, it will yield carbonic acid, aqueous. This is because when a nonmetal oxide is added to water, it yields an acidic solution. Because of this, the color will turn a more yellow. It will be yellow because the color won't go very acidic, so more red, because carbonic acid is a weak acid. This is a phase diagram of CO2, which shows the different states of matter carbon dioxide is at certain temperatures and pressures. Solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice, which is what we'll be using in this experiment. However, at room temperature, carbon dioxide is at a gas. So when you go from dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide, it sublimates, which means that it goes directly from a solid to a gas without going through a liquid stage, like normal ice or water.
As the CO2 bubbles, the white vapor is just water vapor. As it bubbles in the solution, it neutralizes the basic solution, which will change the color from the blue basic to a teal, showing that it's getting close to acidic, to a green, and then to the yellow. The color won't go very acidic, so more red, because carbonic acid is a weak acid. And now it has reached the yellow stage.
When dry ice is placed in water, it sublimes rapidly. The gas is CO2, which both goes into the air and into the solution. The CO2 in water equation is given by H2O plus CO2 yields H2CO3, a weak acid. When CO2 dissolves in H2O, it demonstrates Henry's law, which states that the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the partial pressure of the gas above the liquid.
Now we can see that carbonic acid has been yielded in the experiment because the color in the graduated cylinder is yellow due to the universal indicator, which shows that it is in the acid range.
I got